How to watch Jio Hotstar offline. Welcome back to a new video on how Genic. If you're trying to watch the Jio Hotstar offline, even if you don't have internet connection, for this you need to prior download all of the movies or any TV shows that you're trying to watch. Unless you download it prior when you have internet, you won't be able to watch it offline. So let me show you how it is done. Let's head over to Jio Hotstar. Now, once you're inside of the application, just pick anything that you're trying to or watch offline, whether it be TV shows, movies, or any sports. Once you pick any videos, you'll be able to see the option called download or this downwards arrow, which is the download option. If you tap on the download option right here, this video will be downloaded onto the application, and even when you don't have internet connection, you'll be able to watch it. Now, this is an example of a series. You can also do the same for a movie. Just tap on the download arrow that you see inside of the movie, and that particular movie will be downloaded. In order to watch any movies that you downloaded, you can just tap on the downloads option, which is next to my space. And even when you don't have internet connection, you'll be able to watch Jio Hotstar offline. So that's all there is for this video. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'll see you in the next video.